Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Have you recently bought a house and is looking for a birdhouse or birdhouses in wood for your garden, lawn, yard, or patio? Do you want to add elegance to your garden by installing a birdhouse? We have an elegant looking birdhouse for you. We would like you to know about the Bastion birdhouse, hand-painted, open for cleaning and viewing. This birdhouse will surely attract not only birds but also the attention of your guests, friends, or visitors. This item is certainly a birdhouse that you will love and will be the perfect purchase for you. The designs of Ochla provide nice touches and equal the value of your money. Do not settle with a dull-looking garden. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 8.5 by 8.5 by 12. Weight is 5 pounds. This birdhouse is hand-painted to perfection that will add decorative and functional accent to your chosen location. And do not worry about cleaning because this item can be opened for cleaning and viewing. The long wait is over. You can have the Bastion birdhouse hand-painted open for cleaning and viewing at a very affordable price and have a way to decorate your garden with this beautiful product. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.